start off with how to create your National History Day website using a template. So you're going to use this link here and it will come up with a template. You're going to use this template to create your National History Day project. So once you get to the screen, click Use Template and you're ready to go. Remember the requirements for your National History Day website. If you don't have it, make sure you have your checklist open. And biggest thing to remember is the number of visible words. Remember, those are words by you. Quoted words do not count. Your max number of words is 1,200. You are also allowed to add multimedia, including songs or videos. That may not exceed 3 minutes in length. So your first page for your History Day website, you're going to want to make sure you have your title page. So on this page, you're going to write the title of your National History Day project. Try to make it interesting. Just instead of just writing Jackie Robinson, try to use the theme words for this year in your title. Makes it stronger. Then you must have your names. You must have junior or senior division. So junior would be middle school. Senior would be 9 through 12. Is this an individual or group website? Just delete what you don't have, the number of words that you composed, the media time, and your process paper word count. Your other requirements are already here for you, and that's your pages. If you look at your home, you're going to have your thesis page, your introduction page, your main event, impact and importance, and your bibliography. I'm going to show you just a few of the things you can do to customize your National History Day website. So the first thing you have are the different inserts. So you can insert a text box, image, you can embed things like a Google Doc, or you can add things from your drive. So if you have a slideshow or a paper, you can embed that from your Google Drive. You could also add content blocks. So I'm going to go to your thesis page. And if I wanted to add a content block here, I just take one of these and drag and drop it in, and then I have my placeholders. If I don't want it, don't forget your undo button. It is up at the top. And if you don't like something, you can always use the trash can to get rid of it. So if you wanted the picture to be on this side, you can just drag and drop, and then maybe you would put a text box on this side. So there's a lot of customization that you can do with adding things. You can also add a table of contents. You can add an image carousel. This would just allow your viewer to look through images, buttons, dividers, spacers, and the things you really won't need are your social links or your cloud. If you want to add a video from YouTube, you would just click YouTube and then you would have to search for the video that you want. It's best to find the video in YouTube first, preview it, and add it. Remember, you can have no more than 3 minutes of multimedia. So you want to really limit your time and only use things that really add to your slide, to your project. So I'm going to hit cancel for that. All these other things you probably won't need. The only thing that you might add is a doc, a slide, or maybe a chart if you're doing charts. You can also add pages. So if you want to be a little more descriptive, these are the basic things you need. But if you want to do a little bit more, you can always add these. You can also edit the name of something and add sub pages, or you can edit the name. Themes are getting better in Google. So you have your 5 that you can have at all. These are the 5 customizable ones from Google. So you can just change, you can click on what you want. You'll see at the top it will change. You can click on the colors that will change things. You can also use the Finder to either put a color number in or find a color that you want. Google's also now adding the customization, so you can create your own theme. It's still not really truly customizable as some websites, but it's getting better. So you can add logos, you can add a banner at the top, add a banner image, and it will change that. You can also add then preset colors or create custom colors. So you want to look for a palette, you can add that palette of colors, but you can change your colors and you can change the font. So you would do the headings and subheadings, the font and the body text if you wanted it to be different. So you can create that theme And now you can see I've changed it a little bit. I have my custom theme now with my colors. And then I can change some more things over here as I created my theme with customization, images, how they come in, the logo, all these things, even a favicon, which would be a little symbol that would come at the top of your website. So those are the things that you can add. Don't forget, if you are working together with a partner, you're going to want to share your website with others. So you do that by hitting the share button and adding the people that you want to be on your website with you. And once you get going on your website, if you want to preview it, there's this nice little preview up here at the top that will show you what it looks like on the computer. So this would be on a regular computer. You can do it on a phone, what it would look like on a phone, what would it look like on a tablet, and then of course your large screen. So that gives you the idea of what it's going to look like. So there are some customization features that you can use for your National History Day project. I'm sure you will explore and learn more as you become more and more knowledgeable of how to use Google Sites. Thank you for watching and best of luck researching.